Wait, did you know fish can sneeze? Yeah, you heard that right. But hold on, how does that even work if they don't have noses like us? Well, kinda like that, but cooler. Fish don't have lungs, so they can't sneeze like us. But some species can force water out of their gills to clear out dust or parasites. It's basically an underwater achoo. Okay, that's kinda adorable. Scientists have even observed certain fish shaking their bodies as if they're having a full-blown sneeze attack. Just imagine a fish going, ah, achoo!
Oh my God!
So next time you see a fish cough out water, just know it might be sneezing on you. Comment below if you've ever seen a sneezing fish. Follow for more crazy animal facts.